contemporary vocal. How do you determine what aspect of it you're going to extract?
It just depends on the song. Like, it depends on what the feeling calls for. And sometimes you don't even know what feeling you're creating. You're just going with the flow. And I think it just comes down to like what you're resonating with at the moment. Like, what is it that you really want to...
Ways you can play the instrument. Like, one is where you have this kind of Billy Jean.
Light tends to make an object pop, and darkness tends to ground the object. And you see that commonality in music. Like primarily in the 1-4-5 blues progression. You see that? That's a poor rendition. Here's an example.